Hey, the guitar is done. And here's what it looks like. See if I can get up close here on autofocus. And you know, it's pretty shiny. But this is where the damage was done, which happens to be strangely right where my arm goes. And then there's a little bit more up here and just little crap like that, dents, I don't know, stuff like that. But you can get a look at the neck. Finish came out pretty good. Get a custom decal, and then these are fender locking tuners, so they're supposed to stay in tune pretty well. Let's see. So the only effects that this guitar is going through is my tuner and just a little reverb, because that amp doesn't have any reverb. And we're having a little trouble staying in tune, but probably because it was just born. Alright, so this is a 64 Fender Deluxe, and like I said, it has no reverb, but I have a little reverb running to it. Oh, also using my handy dandy recorder, so you can get a real good sense of the actual sound rather than just depend on the camera. But so this system is the Fishman Fluence system, and the idea behind it is, I mean, this is a vintage amplifier and it's all original. And listen, it's dead quiet. There's no buzzing, there's nothing like that. So they're hum canceling, but they're a lot different. They don't have coils, they have stacks of circuit boards. So still makes a coil, but interesting design. But the magic of this is it has, I don't know if you can see it, but on the input jack there's a little slot right there. That's a USB port where you can plug it in, because it has lithium-ion batteries in it. So this is an active guitar, and that can give it some nice functionality. But one of the things that it does really well is you can turn down the volume and not lose any of your highs. That's really handy. So this is the neck pickup, or I'm sorry, yeah, this is the neck pickup. Nice Telecaster pop, and so this one was just born. It's not quite set up exactly right yet. It's close. Everything's close. You know, intonation's close, frets are close, so it has to go off to somebody who knows what they're doing to get it going the rest of the way. So that's kind of what it sounds like in that position. Play the same thing here. Well and good. So we got 3 different positions. Kind of a jazz. And we got the middle position. And this position. It was very snappy. Now, let's put it back in the neck position, and we got this little button right here, and what this does gives me some boost, just a little bit of boost. Now the guitar has become really sensitive to my touch. kind of slippery now on the back and in my hand. Just this will need to get some sanding and some work done. But overall, we got the little finishing touch on the back, little paisley on the back. So there you go. The new beast has been born, and I think it sounds pretty good. Turn this job right now.